Yo, what is up, guys? We're back for another video. Today we are going to hit a push day workout. So that consists of chest, triceps, shoulders. It's gonna be a full workout. I'm gonna explain my sets, my reps, why I do the exercises I do, why I do the sets and reps I do, and hope you guys enjoy it. If you can get anything from this, it's worth watching. Stick around to the end. Got something for y'all. I'm basically giving y'all free workout right here, so make sure you hit the subscribe button for more of these. Drop a like and let's get it. First exercise was a barbell bench. I did 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. I usually on like bench or like squat, or I don't deadlift, but on just bigger compound lifts, I would usually say like just go heavier and focus more on strength. But bench is good for building chest. It's probably one of the best ones if you're doing it correctly. If you see it in this video, I'm doing it very slow and controlled. I'm not just repping it out like most people do on bench. If you really slow down and get a good contraction, it's probably one of the best chest exercises. I just did 3 sets of around 10 to 12 reps, taking each set to failure. The next exercise was a incline dumbbell chest press. First set here I did 50 pound dumbbells for 15 reps, around there, 10 to 15. I was going a little lighter here and then going for more reps. With this one too, taking it to failure, focus on getting a good contraction. And with this one, you want to especially worry about where your elbows are, your elbow placement. You want to keep them more up here to hit your upper chest. And then if you wanted to hit more like your lower or your whole chest, elbows come down more, you hit the whole chest. But I was just trying to focus on the upper. So like I said, elbows out, press, contract at the top, slow negative, building the chest up, baby. Okay, and as you can see, this next set is the same exercise, but I just went to 65 pound dumbbells. This was, since I went lighter on flat bench, I wanted to go a little heavier here just to see what I could do. So I threw up 65s, did 5 reps. The 5th rep was very difficult, so I knew I didn't want to do another set just because I didn't want to get hurt, you know. That's really what's most important, is just making sure you're picking exercises that you can go to failure on and not like get injured easily. Next exercise, this is gonna be the last chest exercise. I only did 3 here. This is a cable chest fly, right? I did around 10 to 15 reps per set, probably 3 to 4 sets. Each set to failure, obviously. On this set, I'm pretty sure I only got like 10 or something, and I was like, nah, it's not enough reps. So I said, dropping the weight. So I dropped the weight, went to failure, all the way to failure. Getting good reps. Don't lose form. That's the biggest thing a lot of people do, is when they try to go to failure and they try to push max, like beyond their limits, they want to just go out of form. Like, the point of going to failure is keeping your form and like just doing as much as you can until the actual muscle you're trying to hit is gassed. And if you cheat, then you're not gonna hit your muscles. You're gonna hit other muscles trying to cheat. It's not worth it. Moving on to triceps, I'm doing a just regular push down. Like I said, today with triceps, I kind of wanted to go heavier, so I used not the rope, but the little V-bar thing to do push downs. because I feel like when I do that one I can use a lot more weight, and that's what I was trying to do here, is use a lot of weight still around like 10 to 15 reps per set. Going to failure on every set, obviously, keep in perfect form. As you can see on the set, I did, like I said, 10 to 15 reps per set for 3 sets. Second tricep exercise is skull crusher on an incline bench. I don't know why, but when I do it on an incline bench, I feel like I can just get such a better stretch. I don't know, I guess I can like just come down farther. I don't know if it's just me. Here I went with I think a heavier weight, and it was kind of heavy, so I ended up dropping it. So I think I only got like 12 on this set, or I got less than 15, I think. So I dropped it the next set and ended up getting like 15 plus. So like on triceps and biceps, they're like such smaller muscle groups compared to like your back or your chest that they don't really need as many sets, especially if I just benched and did like pressing movements where my triceps were already like being used. This is like, I think this is my last tricep because that's all I needed to do for triceps. And then on here, when I couldn't get any more, I was doing like close grip bench almost. Next exercise is a machine shoulder press. I like this machine at my gym. It's a pretty good one. I feel really good in my shoulders. If I didn't do this, I would have did dumbbell press. I'll usually alternate between machine press and dumbbell press. Here, I think my shoulders were kind of gassed from like doing the 2 benching movements, so I didn't get really as much as I wanted to. I think I got around 10 to 15 in there. I was doing, yeah, like 10 to 15 per set. I think I did 3 sets. And then this is my first shoulder movement. Next thing for shoulders is a dumbbell lateral raise. If you are not doing dumbbell lateral raises in every shoulder workout, you're not doing it right. This is probably one of the best shoulder exercises that you can do for your shoulders to build up the delts. That's how I built mine. So here, you want to stick with a lighter weight. Do not go heavy as hell and just try to get the weight up. You want to focus on contracting that shit, putting it out here, coming straight out, not coming out in front or too far back, straight to the sides. Pick a lighter weight like 10-15 pounds and go for like 20 reps. Like here, I think I did probably like 15 to 20 full reps, and then I would just do partials until I just gave out. Here, I think I did like 3 sets to failure on here. After I did 3 sets of just regular dumbbell lateral raises, I went to like the rack and I just grabbed the 15s, went into failure, grabbed the 10s, went to failure, grabbed the 5s, went to failure, and then I just put the weight down and just went like this because it was still hard. You know what I mean? As long as if you have tension in the muscle and you just keep dropping the weight, it's not gonna get easy. It's gonna get easier, but it's still gonna be hard. You know what I mean? So yeah, I just went literally until I couldn't do anymore, and that's how I burned out my shoulders. And the next one for rear delts, moving on to that, we have just a regular hanging over rear delt fly. You could do these on the machine. I end up doing that next. Do them on the machine, you do them on the cable. Grab the 2 cables, do that. You just really want to focus on hitting your rear delt and not your back. A lot of people do it wrong, where they'll tuck their elbows in and you're pulling this way and you're hitting your back. You want to keep your elbows up, shoulders like rolled back, and hit it where your elbows are gotta be up. They gotta be up, or else you're gonna hit your back. Then we have machine fly, reverse fly, or reverse pec deck, whatever you want to call it. On the machine, pulling apart, hitting the rear delts once again. Focus on hitting the actual rear delt and not my back. I do not want to hit my back. This is not back day. It is chest, shoulders, and tris. I'm not trying to hit my back. With this one and the last one, I ended up doing 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. It's very consistent here. It's not, I'm not doing crazy heavy weight and doing sets of 5. Like, it's not, these are all like more accessory movements that you're just trying to build the actual muscle, not really focus on strength. Back from the workout, in the kitchen. You guys should already know what I'm about to whip up. Like, it's pretty standard. Cottage cheese, peanut butter. Shit, bro. Microwave. Comment what you guys listen to when you work out, or just in general. I want to know. Right now, for me, a little peep. So, that's going to be done in about 3 seconds. And then, like I said, put some cottage cheese in there. I'm going with 2 servings because I want more protein. I just worked out. But, post-workout, you're also going to need carbs, right? So why not go with an apple? This is why this pre-workout meal works so well. You get your carbs from the apple. My cat running around. Let's go, Blake. Apple. So you got the cottage cheese and the peanut butter in the bowl. Hint of salt. Cinnamon. In. You need some chocolate syrup. Chocolate peanut butter goes together. Yes, sir. Mix this up. If you just put the peanut butter in and you don't microwave it, I promise it's not gonna work. I'm like moving around too much. It's getting too hot. I'll put the air down or something. I don't know. Like, if you haven't tried this shit yet, like, I don't know what you're doing, honestly. So that's what we got. You'll see that? Yes, sir. Honey crisp apples, bro. If you like any other apple, I really don't know what to tell you. Like, Honey crisp is literally goated. Apples cut up, bang, bang, bang. Gordon Ramsay, sponsor me. So my camera definitely just died, and I ended up eating all the rest of my food for the night. As you can see, I'm kind of bloated. Some filthy lighting in here. Okay, and that is gonna conclude my full push day workout. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, consider subscribing, leave a like, and I want you guys to comment push day if you made it this far. I want to see who's out there watching, because I know a lot of people be skipping through the shit and they don't want to learn. They don't want to learn how to grow. They don't want to get big, so they watch half the video and then they dip. I don't know. And 95% of my viewers are not subscribed. So if you're watching, just go down there right now and click the subscribe button. You're supporting me. You're supporting what I do, teaching you guys some stuff. Comment for the algorithm. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. We're gonna get shredded. Let's go.